Okay, look, I know I'm supposed to be used to this already, but even after 6+ years of doing what I do full time, sometimes I'm a little shocked that this and this is my office. I wake up, I go eat, I do whatever, okay, I want. When I want to work, I come back to my room and get on my computer and make money. I thought I would be used to it by now, but every once in a while, I'm just like, how is this real life? Making money from home is where it's at. Even if you have the smallest percentage of wanting to make money from home, you gotta pay attention to this video. We got $525 December 28th. If I can show you here. If it will actually load, okay. $325 December 27th. That's literally a couple of days after Christmas. The main problem people have when it comes to affiliate marketing is getting traffic that converts. That's the main problem I always hear people talk about. When people come to me and they're like, Marissa, I want to do what you do, blah, blah, blah. And if they've done it before in the past, I ask them what their main struggle was. And it's always getting traffic. The money you saw me show in the beginning of this video came from Funnel Express. What I'm actually gonna do is take you into the exact videos that I watched. I'm not gonna play them, but I'm gonna point you to the videos that I watched within Funnel Express, okay, that led me to make some tweaks recently for this program that has allowed commissions to start just literally just start piling up, pouring in, whatever you want to say. Funnel Express is something that allows you to make 100% commissions, as you probably already know. You've probably seen me talk about this before. It has 6 different income streams you can get hooked up with. The first income stream is the main one. The compensation plan to Leaderboard Affiliate is very similar to a program called Easy 1UP, if you've heard about it, or those 1UP programs. And it's a really good way to make money passively. And Leaderboard Affiliate is their training hub. The reason why I ended up going with Leaderboard Affiliate versus like Easy 1UP or a program like that is because I felt like the information in Leaderboard Affiliate was truly valuable. So I'm about to show you the videos in each level that I gained a lot of value from when I rewatched recently and actually took action on a lot of the things I'm going to point out here. But before that, I just want to get you to really understand what it is. So this is Leaderboard Affiliate. You'll probably see this before you get started, right? When you start to choose the level you want to get access to. What David Dekel has done, and that's the creator of Funnel Express and Leaderboard Affiliate, is he has rounded up super affiliates that are teaching their hottest traffic sources and exactly how they are promoting whatever they want to promote to make a lot of money. These people are not making tiny commissions. They're not making small amounts of money every month. These people are literally making life-changing income and everything like that. Now, what I want to say is I've been doing this stuff myself for the last 6, almost now going to be 7 years. It's really interesting because before I joined it, I was not necessarily skeptical, but because I knew there was probably going to be some valuable information in there because of who even told me about the program in the first place. But I remember just kind of thinking, okay, look, I've been doing this now for quite some time. I've been doing it full time. I wonder if there's really going to be information in there that I haven't really, not saying that I know it all or anything like that, but the thing I've noticed with a lot of programs is there's a lot of the same information. So for me going into this, I was like, I wonder if there's really going to be information that maybe I haven't heard of before, or a strategy that I've never thought of before, or something like that. But I went ahead and got it anyways, again, because I trusted the person that told me about it in the first place. And I've been blown away. Some of my teammates that have gotten access to Leaderboard Affiliate on the higher levels have also gotten back to me and said they've been blown away about what kind of information has been given in this program. So let me just get right to it. So if you were to get the promoter level, right, which is a one-time $27, all of these videos you're going to watch, they're amazing. But the one that I took a lot of information from and started really using is this How Kelly and Jonathan promote video. Their traffic sources are very similar to mine. And so when it got down to the meat and potatoes on how they promote on those platforms, and I was able to see what they were doing differently than I was doing, that made a lot of things click. And wow, why don't I just take literally do exactly what they're saying and see for myself? And that's when you see some of these results coming in to me from Funnel Express start to happen. So let's go to the team builder level. And I'm showing you this because, well, first off, I know you probably want to see what's inside. And then second, one of the biggest problems people always come to me and, tell me is, Marissa, like, I want to do affiliate marketing, but I haven't had that much success with it in the past. And when I ask them what's been their biggest struggle, like literally I would have to say like 97% of the times it's going to be, I don't know how to market. I don't know how to get traffic. I don't know what to do on these social media platforms to get people attracted to what I have to offer. It's always that. So the other reason why I'm showing you this is because the thing you're needing to get that information, those marketing strategies to take you from 0 to however much money you want to make on a daily basis is going to be in this system. So Daniel Kump, I didn't really know who he was. The videos that stuck out to me that I've been applying recently is the video, David's traffic sources and how he literally promotes. If you've wanted to master something like Bing advertising, this is where you would really understand kind of a deep strategy behind how you'd want to set up your ads and how they can convert for you to where it's just freaking amazing, right? This video right here, I remember it says it's 45-minute video. I thought it felt like it was 10 minutes because the whole time I was pretty much like almost at the edge of my seat, like going crazy over what he was actually talking about in these videos. And the reason why I'm saying it like that is because typically in these types, in any type of online system, I'm sure maybe you're aware, maybe you've run into this problem, I don't know. But a lot of times people are not really that willing to give you literally their whole game plan, their whole marketing strategy. They're not people that just like are teaching people things that they don't do themselves, which is in a lot of programs. There's a lot of programs of people teaching things that they're not even doing themselves. The guru level, let's move on here. This is somebody that I have followed for a while, and the video that really, really made a lot of sense to me and recently have been applying to get the results I was showing you in the beginning of the video is right here, how Ontarian promotes. Now, if you're really new to all of this, obviously, and even if you're not new to this, you're gonna enjoy watching every single one of these videos, but I just wanna let you know the big keys, the big golden nuggets, the things that I've been tweaking have become, at least for this level, Ontarian promotes, and also the daily routine was very important to me. Superstar level, which is the one-time $4.97 level, and then you get all the other levels unlocked. And that's what I want to say. Like, if you were coming on the team builder level, you would also get the promoter level, and you'd be able to earn on the promoter and team builder level. But if somebody came in and got on the guru level, you wouldn't get that. So that's why you want to position yourself as high as possible. But anyways, Paulo Barroso, I didn't really know who he was at first, so I enjoyed all of these videos, but definitely the traffic source video and exactly how he promotes, because his traffic source allows him to get a ton of traffic without him having to put himself out there. And that's the reason why you maybe not have heard of him. So in Superstar, you get 2 super affiliates teaching. So the other one is Joshua Elder. He's also somebody I've followed, I've seen, he crushes it online. And the big one for me is the how Joshua promotes. And the reason why you may notice a trend when I keep, talking about these videos is because here's the thing, you can find a ton of courses online, you can find a ton of affiliate systems that have no problem telling you traffic sources. Like they have no problem like telling you like these are the platforms you should be on. The problem, the thing that people do not really share is the how-to part of it. And when I say how-to, I don't mean like basic stuff, like basic tech stuff on there. I mean like the strategy behind what you put out on platforms that's going to give you the traffic, that's going to get you the conversions. That is what isn't taught. And that's why I keep pointing out these how Joshua promotes, how so-and-so promotes, because that's really where the golden nuggets are. It's not, anybody can tell you their traffic sources, and that's fine. And you still want to watch these because there's still strategy in the traffic source videos, but I'm just saying in most of the programs, people say, oh yeah, this is where you want to promote. This is where you want to market. This is who you want to target. Yeah, but how? Like, what's the strategy behind it? That's why I love Leaderboard Affiliate. Those are the videos in Leaderboard Affiliate that I have really been paying attention to and really taking action with. So if you've made it this far, what the heck are you going to do? There should be a button on this page somewhere or in the link in my video description below where you can create your Funnel Express account. You may already have a Funnel Express account if you've gone through this process already. You just have to go to the email address that you think you signed up with and get your password. When you sign up for Funnel Express and create your account, a password is sent to you you can use to log in. Once you get there, you're going to go over to the Start Here tab, click on income stream number 1, okay? And then what you're going to do is there's going to be a video here. I've already done this part. That's why it's going to look different on your end. There's going to be a video here. David's going to explain Leaderboard Affiliate in much better detail than I just did. And you're going to go through, come to this page, pick the level you want to get with, and then your Funnel Express system is literally activated. You can start with just the first income stream. You don't have to do all 6 or everything like that. You've got over 12 sales funnels you can literally start promoting, which is insane. I have not been in a system that has given you so many options on how you want to promote, what kind of sales. So you don't need any outside sales funnel builder or anything like that. You will need an email autoresponder, which is awesome. Income stream number 2. So you'll check that out. But you've got high converting emails that they give you, and it's literally just that simple. Now I'm saying simple. I'm not saying you're going to come in, set up your system, and then all of a sudden overnight all this money is coming in. What I'm saying is if you're actually taking action on the training inside Funnel Express along with Leaderboard Affiliate and actually taking action like I've been doing, you will get results. I can't guarantee a time frame. That's going to depend on how fast you learn and how much you're taking action and how consistent you are and everything like that. But these strategies being taught in this system is exactly what works as far as getting traffic and getting sales. So that information you feel like you've been missing out on when it comes to affiliate marketing, how to market, how to get sales, is in this program. Just like the business saying, find something you're able to earn while you learn, this is that program. Anyways, I'm done blabbing. There should be a link or button or something like that on this page. You can click through and go sign up for a Funnel Express. Email me back if you have any questions about it. Hope the rest of your day is awesome, and I'll look forward to working with you.